Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to downgrade from Android 10 to Android Pie. So let's begin with that. So firstly, let me go to the settings section and confirm you that my phone is already on Android 10 version. So you can see 438, which is the very latest version with respect to beta, that is beta 5 and Android 10 version. Now we have to downgrade to Android Pie. For that we need a downgradation file as well. So for that I've already created a dedicated article on my official blog. So let me open that. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below so that you can go over afterward. So this is that particular blog or article. So here I have mentioned how to downgrade from Android 10 to Android Pie version 0.59. I have purposely selected 0.59 so that you can have lot of options to upgrade afterward, like you can move to 0.60, 0.61, 0.63, 0.82, 0.84, 0.87 and maybe afterward to the Android 10 beta 1, 2, 3 and 4 if you are not happy with the beta 5. So here even I have mentioned an important note that this method is applicable for all the Android 10 beta version, be it beta 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 which we are testing as of now. And this is a file which you have to download. Just tap it here and keep it in your external storage, nothing else. So I've already downloaded that and I'll be showing you that as well so that to cut down the time. And apart to this is ASUS support article which we will be following in this particular video demonstration. You can even click it here and you can read each and everything about that. Now let me move to the file storage section and show you that I have already downloaded that particular file. So we have to downgrade to the Pi 2 from Android 10 to Android 9 Pie 0.59. So this is that particular file, downgrade from Android 10 to 0.59, so which is almost 1.64 GB. So now we have everything at our side. We have already confirmed that we are already on Android 10 and we'll be moving to Android Pie. We have already downloaded that 0.59 Pie file as well. Now what we have to do, we have to first power off our phone or shut down our phone. So just wait till the time your phone will be shut down, and afterward also wait for next 4 to 5 seconds so that all the components behind this particular phone will also be properly shut down. Afterward just tap on this particular power button and volume down button. As soon as you will see Android logo, just release the power button key and keep on pressing volume down button unless you move to the stock recovery mode. So this will take at least 5 to 6 more seconds and we'll be directly booted to the stock recovery mode. So finally we have been booted to the stock recovery mode, and this is a text based, so we can't use touch screen or touch layout. So for that we have to use volume rocker buttons and power button. So we have to downgrade. So I have already told you that you have to keep that file in your external storage or SD card. That's why we have to select third option from the below, that is apply update from external storage. So once you will select select this, you have to tap on power button so that you can go over or go into your SD cards and it will list out all the content, and afterward you have to select that particular folder where you have kept that particular downgradation file. Like at my side I have that particular file one.downgrade from Android 10 to Android Pie version, which I'm going to select it now. I'll tap it here and now this is that particular file. Just select this and tap on power button. Now it will start the verification process. If verification update package will be completed, then it will install or it will start with the downgradation process. And basically this is a step 1 process. And one more thing, you have to keep the backup of your device to any external storage like SD card or PC or laptop, because this will wipe all the data and afterward you won't be able to recover it. And this has been done purposely by the ASUS because you have to downgrade your process from Android 10 to Android 9 and there might be some compatibility issue. That's why they have done this purposely, so that you have to do factory reset, which we will be doing in step 2, and I'll show you why we will be needing that particular part. So let's wait till the time this verification process will be completed. So finally the verification process has completed. Now it has started updating or downgrading, and it is showing patching system image unconditionally. Afterward it will do patching vendor image unconditionally and so on. So finally the step 1 of downgradation process has been completed successfully. Now let me reboot the phone and I'll show you why we have to do the factory reset process and why I was discussing it before, because ASUS done it purposely. So now our phone will be restarted and rebooted, and afterward you will see one password related prompt. So this thing Asus has done purposely because of that app compatibility issue or overall OS compatibility issue, from because we have downgraded from 10 to 9. So here you can enter any password, correct or wrong, it will not be able to start. Let me enter the correct password that I have set up earlier. So you can see it will check and afterward it will say wrong password, because this has been done purposely. So for now again we have to restart our phone and keep on pressing the volume down button until unless we again move to the or boot to the stock recovery mode. So again it will take 5 to 6 seconds to successfully boot into the stock recovery mode, and afterward we'll do the step 2. Now for the step 2 thing, we have to select fourth option from the top. First option is already selected, so we'll go in second, third and fourth, which is wipe data and factory reset. So this will reset your phone, or we also known as that hard reset. So just tap it here and it will prompt you one more time like wipe all user data. This cannot be undone for sure. I'm sure that yes. So now you can see formatting data, formatting cache, data wipe complete and so on. Before we jump into the reboot system, now again I'll move to the fifth option, that is wipe cache partition, so that we can clear all the junk files that has been created in this downgradation process and so on. So we have successfully completed step 1 and step 2. Now we are good to go with the reboot system now. So this will take nearly about 2 to 3 minutes to initiate the phone setup process. And now it is also completing the data encryption process, and afterward it will restart our phone and initiate the phone setup process. So in the meantime, do not play with volume rocker buttons and neither with power button, because this may result into soft brick and in some cases it might result into hard brick as well. So finally the phone setup process has been initiated, and on the basis of mobile connection it has selected English India. Now just tap on start button. So afterward it is asking for do you want to set up Wi-Fi connection and so on. So at this moment I'm just going to skip now. So just tap on skip continue so that we can complete this whole video ASAP. So finally it has moved to the next screen where it is asking do you want to copy apps and data from the Google Cloud platform or not. So at this moment I'm just going to press don't copy. Again it is checking few things, checking info. Now it is asking do you want to set up Google account. So for now I'm just going to skip it so that we can complete this video ASAP. So few final things, and after it will ask you for the app selection and then security information, and last step would be setting up Asus account again, which will be skipping it. So I'm not going to set up anything from the security part. Then again next, done. So finally we have completed the downgradation process and we have successfully booted to the home screen. Now let me move to the settings section and confirm you that we have successfully downgraded to the Android Pie version 059. So from Android 10, be it beta 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, this is applicable for all the beta version. We have successfully booted to the or downgraded to the 059 version. So using this version you can successfully downgrade it to the Android 9 from Android 10. And hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.